Dear students, today we will be solve some exponent related math problems. Exercise 4.1. Question number 9. 4 power n minus 1 divided by 2 power n minus 1 equal 2 power n plus 1. Left hand side. 4 power n minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 at first 4 modify as 2 square, then power n minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Here 2 square power n rewrite as 2 power n then whole square minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 equal 2 power n whole square minus 1 whole square by 2 power n minus 1. In the numerator side we will be apply the formula of a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. Here a means 2 power n plus b means 1 into a means 2 power n minus b means 1 divided by 2 power n minus 1. Here 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n minus 1 reduce, so the value is 2n plus 1 equal right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. Proved. Question number 10. 2 power 2p plus 1 into 3 power 2p plus q into 5 power p plus q into 6p divided by 3 power p minus 2 into 6 power 2p plus 2 into 10 power p into 15 power q equal half. Left hand side 2 power 2p plus 1 into 3 power 2p plus q into 5 power p plus q into 6p divided by 3 power p minus 2 into 6 power 2p plus 2 into 10 power p into 15 power q. 2 power 2p plus 1 into 3 power 2p plus q into 5 power p plus q into 6 modify as 3 into 2 power p divided by 3 power p minus 2 into 6 modify as 3 into 2, then their power 2p plus 2 into 10 modify as 2 into 5, then their power p into 15 modify as 3 into 5, their power is q equal 2 power 2p plus 1 into 3 power 2p plus q into 5 power p plus q into, here power will be distributed between 3 and 2, that means 3 power p into 2 power p divided by 3 power p minus 2 into Here power will be distributed between 2 and 3. 3 power 2p plus 2 into 2 power 2p plus 2 into 2 power p into 5 power p into 3 power q into 5 power q. Here we will be apply the index law of multiplication. That means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. Here similar base is 2, so their power will be added 2p plus 1 plus p into similar base 3, their power will be added 2p plus q plus p into base 5, their power p plus q. Here similar base 3, so their power will be added p minus 2 plus 2p plus 2 plus q into similar base 2, their power will be added 2p plus 2 plus p into similar base 5, their power will be added p plus q equal base 2, their power 2p plus p equal 3p plus 1 into base 3, so their power 2p plus p equal 3p plus q into 5 power p plus q divided by 3 power minus 2 plus 2 equal 0, p plus 2p equal 3p plus q into 2 power 2p plus p equal 3p plus 2 into 5 power p plus q. Now we will be apply index law of division. That means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base 2, so their power will be subtracted 3p plus 1 minus 3p plus 2 into similar base 3, so their power will be subtracted 3p plus q minus 3p plus q into similar base 5, their power will be subtracted p plus q minus p plus q equal 2 power 3p plus 1 minus 3p minus multiply plus equal minus 2 into 3 power 3p plus q minus 3p minus multiply plus equal minus q into 5 power p plus q minus p minus q equal 2 power plus 3p minus 3p equals 0. Subtracted value of minus 2 and plus 1 equal minus 1 into 3 power plus 3p minus 3p equals 0 plus q minus q equals 0. That means 3 power 0 into 5 power plus p minus p equals 0 plus q minus q equals 0. That means 5 power 0 equal 2 inverse 1, that means 1 by 2 into 3 power 0. Here we will be apply the formula of a power 0 equal 1, that means 3 power 0 equal 1 into 5 power 0 equal 1 equal half equal right hand side, so left hand side equal right hand side proved. Question number 11. A power L divided a power n then whole power n into a power m divided a power n then whole power l into a power n divided a power l then whole power m equal 1. Left hand side, a power l by a power m then whole power n into a power m into a power n then whole power l into a power n divided by a power l then whole power m equal. At first we will be apply the index law of division, that means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. According to the index law of division, we can write similar base a, their power will be subtracted, then whole power n into similar base a, their power will be subtracted, m minus n, then power l into similar base a, their power will be subtracted, n minus l into m. Now power will be multiplied with power, that means a power l multiply n equal ln minus m multiply with n, that means mn into a power m multiply l equal ml minus n multiply with l nl into base a, their power n multiply with m mn minus l multiply with m, that means ml. Now we will be apply the index law of multiplication, that means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. Here similar base a, their power will be added, that means ln minus mn plus ml minus nl plus mn minus ml equal plus ln minus nl equal 0 minus mn plus mn equal to 0 plus ml minus ml equal 0, that means a power 0. Here a power 0 means 1 equal right hand side, so left hand side equal right hand side.